Welcome to the world of wash, where we take exterior cleaning to the next level. While the Pacific Northwest is known for mysteries like DB Cooper, one thing that doesn't have to be a mystery is cleaning the exterior of your home. Thanks to WOW Soft Wash, our 3-step process can make your home look like new. Our team of exterior cleaning experts will guide you through our 3-step process, just like DB Cooper planned his heist down to the last detail. Our 3-step process for exterior cleaning is as easy as A, B, and C. First, we pre-wet the surrounding vegetation with fresh water. Next, we apply our soft wash solution and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes while also wetting the vegetation with fresh water. Finally, we rinse off the exterior siding using low pressure, revealing a sparkling clean finish. What sets us apart is our unparalleled level of expertise and attention to detail, making us the Picasso of soft washing. Like DB Cooper, we're experts in high altitude. Our gentle and effective soft wash solutions and equipment can clean buildings up to 5 stories high from the ground, meaning no parachute is required. Can we get clearance for takeoff? Ladies and gentlemen, the landing gears are up and cruising altitude has been reached. Buckle up and let WOW Soft Wash take control. On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to express our gratitude for choosing to clean with us. We understand that you have many options when it comes to exterior cleaning, and we thank you for selecting the Pacific Northwest's exterior cleaning heroes. WOW Soft Wash, we take the mystery out of exterior cleaning.